look at that bird in our kitchen. We have a visitor. Yes, come in. Oh, mahulog. Come in, little Tweety. Get inside. We have our visitor today. There is in our kitchen. He wants to eat with us. Come on. Yan, get inside. Eat with us. Come in, little Tweety. Little birds, come in. Get inside. Look at that. Oh, it just hatched. It's just a chick. Not yet a matured bird. Oh, that's the parents. Checking his situation. There she is. Yeah. Get inside. That the parents checking his situation. He thought his chick is in danger. But no, we won't harm you. Where is he? Where are you, little birds? Here they are. Okay. There he is. Ibon. It's a bird. The nest is there, is the nest.